Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics for aspiring tech enthusiasts: how to start coding AI projects in Python. If you're just getting started with AI, Python is the go-to language. Why? Well, Python is incredibly versatile and user-friendly, making it the perfect choice for beginners. It has a clean and readable syntax, which means you can focus on solving problems rather than struggling with complex code. Plus, it has a massive ecosystem of libraries and frameworks like NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow that make implementing AI and machine learning algorithms a breeze. Let's talk about how to get started. First, you'll need to install Python and some essential libraries. You can easily download Python from the official website, and once it's installed, you can use pip to install libraries like Pandas for data manipulation or scikit-learn for machine learning tasks. These libraries will become your best friends when coding AI projects. Next, it's important to understand some basic AI concepts, such as supervised and unsupervised learning. Whether you're working with datasets to make predictions or clustering data into categories, Python has all the tools you need to make it happen. Once your environment is set up, the next step is to collect and pre-process your data. Python's Pandas library will help you clean, format, and organize data so it's ready for training your models. After that, you can start selecting the right algorithm for your project. If you're a beginner, start with something simple like linear regression or decision trees. These algorithms are easy to understand and a great introduction to machine learning. Then comes the fun part: training your model. With Python, you can split your data into training and testing sets and use libraries like scikit-learn to train your model. After training, it's time to evaluate your model. Metrics like accuracy or precision will help you understand how well your model is performing. Finally, once your model is performing well, you can deploy it. Whether it's a web app or an API, Python's Flask or Django frameworks make it easy to take your AI project to the next level. And don't forget, the key to success in AI is iteration. Keep tweaking your model, try different algorithms, and improve your results over time. So to wrap up, Python is the best choice for anyone starting out in AI. It's simple, powerful, and has all the tools you need to bring your AI projects to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.